Jacob here at MarineMax of Rogers. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 250 Solaris from Premier. Right away, let's take a look. As you can see, this is a tri-tune here. Most of the models that we do have from them are tri-tunes. Really nice on the water here. On the outside, you're going to see black panels along with the white. Complement each other really well with a nice contrast. Black rail in the middle. And you can see along this middle rail here, we got the exterior lighting on this guy. So this does have the upgraded lighting package. Has rail lighting all across the outside of the boat here as well as the inside, and we'll see that in a bit. Come a little farther back here, you'll see the nice Premier logo, PTX on there as well. So that's talking about the tri-tune technology that you'll only find on Premier. The middle tri-tune is built similar to a boat rather than to a regular just pontoon you would see on the side. So it just makes it easier to maneuver on the water. It's a nice touch. You will notice it when you're driving. Come even farther back here. Actually, you will notice right away too on the bimini, it is an electric bimini. So at the push of a button at the helm, just comes right up for you. Makes it really easy and convenient for anyone at the helm. Even farther back here, you'll notice the 300 racing outboard Mercury here. Super fast, really a lot of power on this guy. Really helps you take advantage of the ski tow bar you see there as well. So if you have any skiers, tubers who are taking advantage of that, you're going to be easily able to pull them across. And if they fall off, you're going to easily get back to them just as well. So that was the exterior. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, welcome to the interior here. Right away, I'm going to show you the changing room that you can find in the back here. This just lifts up like so. You can use this as storage, obviously, but this guy can also fold up. The curtain comes down, and that's a really nice spot for you to change into your swimsuit or whatever you want to do in there. Close right back down. This is a nice layout we have here for a lot of extra seating. On here, it does have really comfortable cushions on here as well with fun little designs here you'll find with the Solaris Sport models. Kind of a cool little thing to add. And if you follow me down here, you will see the subwoofer. This is JL audio in this boat, and it'll light up speakers too. It's a nice little touch. JL audio is the top quality audio you can find in a boat. Nice little station for you to store your phone as well. You'll find those throughout the boat too. Follow me a little bit farther here. I'm gonna come near the helm. You'll see dual helm seating on each side here. Kind of a cool spot for your captain and co-captain here. Let's look at the co-captain area first. Got a nice windshield to block off any of the air coming in. Nice cubby for storage here as well. Plenty of space in there. Coming over a little bit farther, you'll notice wireless charging here for your phone. Come even farther down, you're going to see a little spot for your cup here. This spot is actually a cooled cup holder, so you flick that on, that'll start cooling. As soon as that glows blue, that means it's as cold as it can get, and it'll cool your cup. Comfortable seating here as well. The same kind of seating that you will find at the actual helm. So both of them have the movable bolster here. It actually raises up. You can go back down, just like so. You got a raised helm as well, so it gives you even that much more extra height on these seats. So as I sit here, it's nice and comfortable for the captain. Looking right away at the front in the helm here, you can see the SIMRAD display screen. Got all your charts, engine diagnostics, everything you need at the helm. On my left here, you see the JL audio head units, really nice for Bluetooth, FM, AM, and you can adjust your volume here with your subwoofer so you can get the audio experience you want from JL audio. Over here at the right, you're going to notice all your regular switches and another reef cup switch as well, so that you can use for your cooled cup holder even farther to your right. Come even farther, you're going to see the digital throttle and shift. It moves really smooth on the water, makes it really easy for the driver here. You're going to notice a big change when you start using that compared to the cable throttle. Now, coming up even farther to the bow, you see this windshield here. This actually does close off, blocks off all the winds. You know, that's really nice for any of those cold mornings, or if you're just going really fast, you don't want all that wind messing up your hair. Now, you can see the really spacious helm here. They really make the most of their space here. You can see here it's actually unique design for Solaris models. It's a bit more square shaped in the bow. You'll see the similar patterns continued throughout on the stitching here too. And it's a cool little touch that they do to make it feel that much more premium. All these seats do lift up on hinges. New hinges for these models, they do just lift straight up rather than having to pull them out. It makes it that much better. Plenty of storage throughout the boat. Armrests as well. Nice little touch you gotta have in these kind of boats too. So yeah, that's about everything here in the 2023 Solaris. Come check this out at our MarineMax Rogers location. You can just call, make an appointment, or stop right on in. As always, like and subscribe. We're putting out videos every day. Thank you.